So we're out here at Lakeside Building Supply, I think something like that, picking up our T-pole so we can set it in the ground. And Jason just got back in the car and he was saying how his worst fears have come true because this might be a 25-foot foam pole.
I'm going to have to dig the hole and then we're going to have to build it up on blocks and lift it, build it up on blocks and lift it.
Or get some
Or
help.
we take the winch off if we can get the red truck home, we take the winch off the trailer, put it on the gin poles, and use the gin poles and the winch to lift it up.
So we may have to bring the red truck home. So that's 25 foot long. Our trailer is 16 foot long.
And the temporary power pole saga continues. As you can see right here off the front gate, I had to clean out a little area around here. It's like a no man's land, but this is where Sheco put their posts, letting us know where their own guys are going to need to be at. Come straight in off of here. And there's another stake that says meter pole. They want me to dig this big ass hole, pardon the French. So it's gonna be like a foot around in diameter, 5 foot deep, 5 feet away from this other pole. And they said I can't put the temporary power stuff on this pole because it's their pole, and that you're not allowed to put anything on a service pole. Well, that sucks, considering it's on my land. And as soon as they put this crap in permanently underground, I'm gonna be stuck with this pole. I don't know if that's the case. Then I'm gonna climb it and put a sign up there. And it's not gonna be a fun sign, but it will be a funny sign. Anyways, I gotta get started digging right here, make some leadway, and then I'll give you all an update on how I feel and how over it I am. Oh yeah, back to some no man's land. This is a weird suitcase and bucket that's been here since we bought the place. I haven't touched it. Our friend Stacy looked inside of it. Oh my God, was she ever brave. But I've yet to dispose of this stuff here.
Alright, so we have Jason and the Green Bastard, aka Subswervin, with our beautiful T-pole, and then he's got parts of an engine hoist in there. And so, last time we spoke, our plan was to back the trailer up kind of like close to the hole, and then slide the pole in the hole as much as possible. And then I guess we're just gonna figure it out from there.
Ain't no time like the present. So
And away we go!
All right, well, how about that thing? That whole ordeal. Yeah. So we got our T-pole in. I don't know, is it the next week? Let's just call it next week. It was the next week from what we said.
From the first video?
For the first video, yeah. Even though that was on my birthday.
Yeah, and what is it?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, that doesn't matter what day it is.
No. It's not even the same month. Anyways, that's going to conclude the third episode, or the third installment of our wannabe sight unseen. And well, it wasn't too bad. I've been putting this off for a while, just dreading digging the hole and trying to lift it into place.
Yeah.
It really wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
We could have had power weeks ago.
Well, we still don't have power. We just have a pole.
Oh, yeah, there's also nothing to plug into, so we're going to have to do some shopping. Vegas, you're about to be coming out here and wiring up some shit. So on that note, wait, what is it? Oh.
What is it?
I forgot. Oh, it's
don't make the best of a situation, make the situation the best.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, you want to do it on 3?
No, I'm not going to do it with you. You do it. And
no,
then
it's okay.
Okay.
So
Well,
anyways, just remember, don't make the best of the
situation,
situation, make the situation the best. See y'all next time.